Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to upgrade to Tinder premium plans. So guys, this is very simple, and as you know, when you upgrade to Tinder premium plan, you get to access more features on the Tinder app. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through the process right away. It's very simple. So the first step you have to take right now is to open your Tinder app and then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. So once you click on that, you're going to look down at the bottom of your screen. You find this option to get access to Tinder Premium. So we're going to wait for the first option, this one. So I'm going to click on that one. And as you can see, it says get Tinder Platinum. All right. So you have these three options right here to choose from. I think it's up to 4 or 3. Okay, just 3. So we're going to choose any one you can afford. And as you can see right here, the first one, which is for the 12 months, is lesser than the other ones. So that's the one I'm going to go for, and it's actually the best value. So I'm going to go for that one. I'll click on the continue button. But before you click on that, look at the bottom of your screen to read those that information down there. It says recurring billing, canceling anytime. By tapping continue, your payments will be charged to your Google Play account, and your subscription will automatically renew for the same package length at the same price until you cancel in settings in the Google Play Store. By tapping continue, you agree to our terms. So go ahead and click on the terms so that you can understand what the terms is all about. But with that being said, let me click on the continue button so that we can buy this. So once you click on the continue button, the next thing you have to do is to add your credit card information. All right, so we're going to click on the add credit or debit card. By clicking on that, now I'll go ahead and add your number. I'm going to close this. So after adding your number, you have to add the expiration month and the expiration date, sorry. All right, and the CVC at the back of your card. All right, so this is my billing address showing right here. So I'm going to click on the save button. Alright, so it says your card issuer declined this request. Contact your bank or use a different payment method. Alright, so I have problem with my card, but that's not a problem. So once you click on that continue button, then you'll be debited, and then you will now be on the premium plan on Tinder. So that's basically how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.